Welcome to Plug and Play Kits. Today we will be showing you how to install our remote start kit for a Jeep Wrangler from years 2007 to 2016. First, you're going to start off by pulling the underdash panel down. Put your finger on the side, give it a pull, left and right, pull it down, then pull out. That panel's removed. There's 3 Torx T15s, one here, and one on the side over here. Once you get those removed, pull the lever down for the column, get it pulled down so you can grab a grip, push in on the sides, and pull down. The key side will be a little bit harder, but once you get it down, you have to make sure the lever comes through the front hole. After you get that done, push this up, lock it into place. The plug you're gonna need is this plug here. The locking clip for it is on the inside. So you're gonna have to push this plug up out of the way, use one finger, push the lock release, pull back with your other hand. Our kit is gonna plug into that plug. That's gonna be the only connection you have to make. Make sure the locking clip is faced in. Push it in. Hold the back of the module as you're clipping it, because this module isn't in there very tight. Plug this one in. Now, for this module here, to program it, you're gonna plug in the connector while holding in the program button. When you plug it in, release it when the blue light comes on. Once the blue light comes on, you put the key in the ignition, turn it to the on position, wait for it to flash. Once it flashes, shut the key off, take the key out, you're gonna notice it stays flashing, press the lock button. Once you do that, the light will turn solid and then shut off. We are now ready to remote start the car. Now in this vehicle here, being off of the factory remote, to start it, you press the lock button 3 times, and to shut it off, it's also the same thing. When you run your wires, tuck them up, keep them behind this module. You want to run it down along this with a zip tie. And mount the module securely under the dash right to the wire. To put the vehicle back together, you want to put the column on first. Drop this column down, slide this in, bring it up, slide it around the key. Once it gets locked into place, get it pushed up to where it belongs. You can put your one lower screw in. These 2 actually connect into the top. Clip it down. It may take a little bit of aligning, but once you get it lined up, it'll pop into place just like that. Now the 3 screws you take out, they're 2 different screw sizes. The black ones go into the front, and that holds the 2 shells together. The silver one goes into the bottom, in the middle. And this panel here, slide the 2 bottom clips in, put it up, push it in, and that will conclude this installation.